my super fancy microphone is not working, so I'm gonna come as close as possible. Welcome back to another studio small biz vlog. I have done so many fun things this month, including celebrating my 15-year business birthday, going to an amazing meal with some good friends, a really fun concert out in Glasgow, and what else? Oh yeah, I designed a brand new product. So let me take you along for the ride. If you haven't already, I would love it if you could subscribe so that you can find out when I'm posting more videos. Yeah, without further ado, let's go.
Look at your face when you saw it was chocolate. Oh.
Right, so today I decided that I was going to try and copy Michael's method of doing his hair, which is just wash it and then don't do anything at all. So I feel like this is kind of good. Like it's just dried all wavy and nice. Usually I blow dry it and it's just like really straight, but I don't know, what do you think? All right, next up, let me show you something that I've been working on. I sent the designs off for these things months ago, and they've just got them back to me now. To be fair, there was like restocks for some other stuff, but these things are new. Let me show them. Let me show you them. Oh my God, the box is dripping. The box is dripping, it's really heavy. Okay. This is how everything arrives from a manufacturer from China when we get them. Not super glamorous, but it does the job. This is a restock of our bourbon pins. There is the rose gold digestive. Obviously, like I'll put them all onto pin backs and that sort of thing before they get sent out. Jammy Dodgers. But then I decided to try something new. A design that is really popular is pins, but I wanted to try out a new format, and these are key rings.
They're gold plated with white hard enamel, and they're like a quite chunky size as well. Let me take one out of the plastic so that you can see them. There's one other design as well. All right, here they are. So I've got two to start off with. Like I said, I've never made keyrings before, but I decided to like get like a little back stamp with my logo on them. They're both like in this gold metal. I think they're like 5.5 centimeters tall, and they're both super shiny, like good weight to them, like the jingle that they make. And I've still got to do some packaging. I'll show you what my idea is for that. This is just like a, I mean, look at how bad my printer is. Why do printers always do that? So it's going to be like a little A6 card, I think. And then the plan is just to like make some notches in the top here. And get these printed at like postcard size on like some cardboard, just so that we can keep things as much paper, non-plastic packaging as possible. And I get that I could just put these in like a paper bag and send them out to people, but I just think they look cute on like a little backing card like this. So now that I've printed out, I can see that I'm probably going to have to move this text down a little bit. Top tip when you're designing stuff, try and print it out at actual size, because it usually always helps you inform some sort of decision making going forward. Also, if you spotted this book that I was reading out in the garden, this is what it is. Strong Female Character by Fern Brady. She's a Scottish comedian. Look, got a signed copy and everything from Waterstones. Anyway, I finished this in like 3 days. It was so good, would highly recommend. Alright, so here's the artwork that I made for this. So I did an Illustrator. This was an enamel pin design, but the manufacturers usually need a vector, and it helps them make sure that the artwork just comes out perfect. I added this little ring to the top so that they know where to put the keyring hoop. But I'll usually send them like a little note to say, I want like the ochre coloured bits to be gold metal, and the white sections will be the enamel. And then if you want anything cut like a hole, I usually put like a little red X, and then just like the scale and the size of it and that kind of thing. And then I usually just send them all the information on WhatsApp, and we communicate that way, because they are in another time zone. They're in China, and WhatsApp is the easiest way to do it. So yeah, this was about 2 months wait though. The lead time was long, and that was including shipping, but the quality is amazing. The workmanship is really good. Yeah, they're great. Can't wait to show you them. What is happening? This is amazing. Bonus. So good. This is wow, this is magical. And we get to see Dark. We arranged this especially for Ed. The actual 10cc. Hang on. Right, we just saw 10cc by accident.
No, we heard them, we didn't see nothing.
No, we
saw
didn't
nothing.
see anything, but we heard them, and
We
that's the best
experienced it
part.
here.
My goodness.
Sounded just like the album
Lucky.
recording. Oh god,
Just did.
that's me in the background.
Right, to pulp.
that.